Play That Funky Music by Wild Cherry in 4 sections. The first is the intro. Place your thumb around fret 5 at the back. So on the E string, play that twice. And then on 7, 5, 7 on the A, take it back to the E string and then just hammer on 5 to 7. And then on the A string, you just pick it up, down. The next section are the E9s, strings 1, 2, 3 in the 2nd fret and string 4 in the 1st fret. Now, if you take that down to the 1st fret, you still have a 9. If you continue to move it up, they're 9th chords all the way up the fret. Funky chords. So we're going to start on E9. I'm going to show you this little riff. Slow down. We have E9 and we're going to strum. Down, up, dead, up, down, 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 up, dead, up. One more time. And then we move up here to the 3rd fret and 4th. Down, up, down. So the next section is dancing and singing and moving to the grooving. Dead, up, down, up, dead, up, down, up, dead, up. Dancing and singing and moving to the grooving. And just when somebody turn around and shout it. And then we're going to go up to G9. We have this chord, white boy, and then C, major 9, lay down and boogie. Put those two there and those two there, and play the funky music till you die. Most important part of it is to get that down, up, dead, up. And of course, enjoy. Bye.